Understanding homeowner, an essential English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to unravel the meaning and use of a common English phrase, homeowner. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply expanding your vocabulary, knowing terms related to everyday life is extremely important. So, let's dive into what it means to be a homeowner, the context it's used in, and some examples to help you understand how to use the word correctly. The term homeowner refers to someone who owns the home they live in. This means that the person has legal ownership of the property, which could be a house, an apartment, or any other type of dwelling. Owning a home involves responsibilities like maintaining the property, paying property taxes, and complying with local housing regulations. Let's look at the word homeowner more closely. It's a compound noun formed by two words, home and owner. Home refers to the place where one lives and feels they belong. It's more than just a structure. It's a personal and emotional space. Owner is a person who possesses something or has a title to something. When you combine them, you get homeowner, a person who possesses and has the title to a home. Being a homeowner is often seen as a significant life milestone and a financial goal for many people around the world. It can represent stability, investment, and personal achievement. In many cultures, owning a home is closely tied to success and adulthood. Let's see how to use homeowner in sentences. The homeowner is responsible for fixing any plumbing issues that arise. As a homeowner, Jane takes great pride in her well-kept garden. The new policy impacts all homeowners in the neighborhood. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a homeowner is and how you can use the term in your daily English. Owning a home is a big responsibility and a dream for many, and now you can talk about it confidently in English. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.